An absolute must-have for any sump pump system that French Drainman builds and ships. I love the range of motion this gives you. Really nice. We build them right here. Very simple. So with a stainless steel screw clamp, you can use a flathead screwdriver or a 5/16 nut driver to loosen that. Super easy to install, as I do it one-handed while holding a camera. There you go. Then tighten it up. So this gives you incredible range. Whether you're going up on a fence, whether you're going behind the sump system, whether you're looking to get this buried in beneath the grass, whatever it is you're trying to do with your discharge line, this will give you more range of motion, allows you more flexibility. Coupled with our one-piece 1.5" Schedule 40 discharge that I love so much, the black. The black is the premium. The white is the econ. This has more flexibility than any other discharge line on the market today. However you're running your discharge, when you have flexibility like this, it makes your job so much easier. So when you have a one-piece 50-foot discharge line, no glue, no fittings, no leaks, it means it doesn't come apart. It means liabilities have been taken out of the equation. As soon as you start using fittings and glue joints, that can come apart on you. That becomes an area of weakness, an area of failure. Our one-piece, super flexible, black discharge line, coupled with this fully adjustable, gives you more range of motion accessory that we have for our sump pumps. Trying to make the DIYer's job that much easier. Just dig a hole, go ahead and connect your discharge line. It is really that simple. All right, everybody, until that next video.